Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, March 11th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Those of you that follow me on the social media may note that I did not post anything today. I well, the acceptable excuse is I am transitioning from the old portfolio to the new portfolio, but uh, probably the less acceptable explanation is that I am now working with TradeStation ProSuite 2000i, and this morning I opened it up and it wasn't collecting data at 6:30 my time, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. I think, oh my God, TradeStation 4 isn't working. Now this isn't working either, and I really got frustrated. I took my son to school and was thinking about it, driving back and forth, and I came back and I looked at it again, and I saw something there that suddenly clicked in my head. Uh, did this have something to do with daylight savings? And of course, that's exactly what happened. Um, 2000i was basically designed in 2000, and they had different uh, daylight savings hours then. So I had to go in and edit the daylight savings, and once I got that done, everything was straightened out. But by that time, everything was, it was too late to post, and everything was a mess, and I was, anyway, no post today. I won't even guarantee post tomorrow, but I promise you we'll get this going as I get everything straightened out. Today we had two holdovers from the old portfolio, Hecla Mining and Stone Energy. And Stone Energy, fortunately, I worried about this all weekend, after that horrible trade we had with Stone Energy and that reverse split thing. I thought, God, what if it does something like that? Well, it didn't. It actually closed it out with $1,400 in a loss, which is pretty small for Stone Energy. And took a small profit in Hecla Mining. So we ended up closing out $1,300 on those two positions we were holding over the weekend. So I was pleased with that, actually. I told you on Friday I wasn't going to take new positions today on the new portfolio. I was going to wait until tomorrow. I'm kind of kicking myself about that because the new portfolio did pretty well, and that's actually, I mean, that pleases me, even though I didn't have my own money in the game. I Let's see. Let me just talk about the Dow. The Dow ended up closing down 21. It's had about an 8-day slide here, very gentle slide, and we're only about 120 points below 21,000. I do expect this thing's going to turn up. I will call it up for tomorrow, based on, this looks like a bull spike to me, and I think it'll go up tomorrow. That's my call anyway. Okay, let me show you. Even though I did not enter any trades today, I will show you one of the system trades that I'm hanging my hopes on this new portfolio, and this happened today, so I had no way of knowing this when I put this stock in the trade. But this is AUPH, which is Aurinia Pharmaceuticals, and the system got into this thing today right out of the gate, and it kept going, and it's actually holding about $4,500 in profits. on the close. And that's a good trade any day, obviously. But when I look back here, this is really interesting. I wish we had known this. We could have used this. But what we got here, this trade here is about an $8,000 trade. This is about a $10,000 trade. This is just a little trade. And then we got, at least so far, $4,000 going in open trade on this. Arena Pharmaceuticals has gone from about $3.50 to $10.50 in 8 days. I mean, that's quite a move. That's quite a move. And the system has picked up on, I would say 75% of that. So the system is really doing well in that stock. And let's just hope that this keeps going, or we continue to have this kind of performance, not only with this stock, with the 19 other new ones that I have in the portfolio, and we're going to do very well. I'm very pleased with this. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday, and just be patient with me. I'm going to get everything all straightened out, and we will get back to doing what we always have done before. So I'll see you again tomorrow.